Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you a huge Dollar Tree haul. I've actually been popping by Dollar Tree the last couple of days, anxiously awaiting for them to put out their Easter decor. So I did find a couple of things, but they don't really have very much stuff out yet, and I always try to just buy what I know I'm going to use for my DIYs and also my kiddos. So I did want to share with you guys this haul. I've got Valentine's Day, spring, and Easter kind of all combined into one. So if you guys have some of these things, or if you see some of these things when I do my DIYs, you might want to grab them. So the first thing first that they do have out that I know I'm going to use are their Easter eggs. So for some reason, you guys, every year I wait to the last minute to buy Easter eggs, and believe it or not, our stores sell out of these plastic eggs. And so I do, or the Easter Bunny comes every year to my house, and hides a lot of Easter eggs. So I just went ahead and picked up 3 packs of these. They have them in the pale pastel colors. They have them in these bright colors, which I love. And I got kind of some of these just specialty eggs. So I also am going to be using some of these pastel colors for some upcoming Easter DIYs. So I thought I would share that with you guys. So that is the first thing that I grabbed. Now, you guys know I've really been doing a lot of decorating and floral arrangements. I just posted a new video for you guys of spring decorating, and so I went ahead and grabbed a little bit more florals because I needed some for my bike outside. I repainted my bike last weekend with Mr. Romantic, and so I just went ahead and grabbed just a couple of Dollar Tree florals here. And so keep an eye out for your Dollar Tree florals. Mine are putting out a lot of spring florals right now. And so here's kind of the little bundle that I grabbed, and then I'll just kind of go over what some of them are called. I always loved to get to do my floral arrangements, I always love to get some of the taller florals. So I've got this white cherry blossom, this gladiola or gladelia. You guys let me know if I'm saying that right. I also got some of these pretty purple lilacs. I just love these. I thought these were so sweet. So these taller florals are really nice to put in the back of your floral arrangements. And then I just got kind of a variety mixture of spring florals. I got the lilac. They also have a smaller cherry blossom that I went ahead and grabbed, and that I'll use to kind of pick into the front part of this arrangement. And then this white hydrangea I thought was nice. And then we've also got some pink peonies, another bundle of cherry blossoms, and then some lilac and some gypso. So I love these. I think these are beautiful. Look how happy and fresh and springy these are. I think these are really going to make my outdoor bike just really pop and look beautiful. So I'm going to be working on a floral for that. Okay, so the other thing that's spring related that I went ahead and grabbed are these 2 little garden fences for spring. I thought were really cute. I'm definitely probably going to paint them. I've thought about creating a floral arrangement on them. I'm not completely for sure what I'm going to do with these, but if you guys want to do a spring DIY with these are definitely going to be coming up in my upcoming DIY. So I do have another round of Valentine's Day DIYs coming up. And of course, you guys know I love to use a lot of big bows and ribbons. So I did go ahead and grab some of their burlap ribbon. You guys have seen me haul this before. These are wonderful because they're wired ribbon. So I grabbed a burlap, a pink, and then I grabbed this burlap with a little white lace in the center. And then in their baby section, they have this wonderful polka dot ribbon. So that will kind of just add some dimension to some of my products. So I've got that. And then for the Valentine's Day ribbon, because I am going to add a pop of Valentine's Day out on my spring bike this weekend, I'm hoping to get out there and really make that bike look super cute. It's supposed to be really nice. And so I have the True Love in the pink, and then also just this pale pink Valentine's Day ribbon. And then they did have some gingham ribbon left at my Dollar Tree. I went ahead and grabbed this. I may use this for Valentine's Day, but this is also going to be fun to use for some summer DIYs, 4th of July. So I do love this red and white gingham. Okay, so for the next Dollar Tree fun items, I decided this year to go ahead and pick up my Valentine's Day gift stuff in advance. I always wait to the last minute to pick up my Valentine's Day stuff, and Dollar Tree is completely sold out, and I'm forced to go to Walmart and pay more than I should for some of these fun things. So for my family, hopefully nobody watches this because I do want it to be a surprise, but I found these cute little plastic tubs at Dollar Tree, and they say love you, and they're a pretty good size. And my idea is to take some of this paper shred. They also sell this at Dollar Tree. I got it in the brown because I want to be able to reuse it, possibly in Easter baskets or in some DIYs. So I did go for the brown. And so you have to look in the party section to find the different colors. With the Valentine's Day stuff, they just had the red paper shred set out. So my idea is to fill this with some shred and then put some different like chocolates and then some little Valentine's Day gifts. I love to do something for my kiddos and also of course for Mr. Romantic. So I thought that that would be fun. So I got 3 of these. They say love you on the front, and I also think that once we're done with these would make a great cleaning caddy underneath the bathroom sink, or I can also use these in my kids' room to organize things. So I thought that that was kind of good, that they're going to serve hopefully more than one purpose. And so the next Valentine's Day goodie that I found that I couldn't resist was Dollar Tree has some amazing cards this year, you guys. So let's see, they're just the Viola card brand, but I got this one for my son. It has a German Shepherd on here and it says I woof you. His girlfriend has a German Shepherd, and so I thought that would be really cute for him. And then for Mr. Romantic, I got this Be Mine Meowentine. I don't know, super corny, but I think it's really cute. And then this one for my daughter says, daughter, who needs chocolate? Only Valentine's Day. And then the inside it says, hoping the day is as sweet as you, because she's my little sweetheart. And then for my son's girlfriend, I got the cupcake with, it says on Valentine's Day. And then it just says a wish for a day as sweet as you. So there's some of the Valentine's Day cards that I picked up. These cards, like, they would cost about $5, at least $5 at like Walgreens or Walmart or the Hallmark store, and they were only $1. So if you guys have a chance to go ahead and get your Valentine's Day cards early, I recommend looking at the Dollar Tree. They had a freestanding stand with these on there, so these weren't with their regular cards. So look for those. So on Valentine's Day, I like to have either some cupcakes or make like a fun breakfast or dinner, depending on what day it is and what everybody's got going on. But I'm going to make up like a little Valentine's Day station, and I thought these would just be really fun and festive. It's super inexpensive and just an easy thing to do to kind of get everybody in the spirit. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I wanted to just do some really last minute fun DIYs, and I found these bags, and I love these bags. These are so beautiful. They come with 3, and so front and back you've got the little gold heart to choose from, the little tiny pink hearts, and this little cute gold stripe, Be My Valentine. I've definitely seen specialty bags like this out before that are like $5 for a pack of 3 with these little small ones. And I also noticed that I think they're gonna fit great inside of like a 5x7 frame. So super easy, fun home decor, and I'm gonna share with you guys a quick and easy DIY on how to do those. So that is my idea for that. And then I could not resist going ahead and picking up this little do-it-yourself wooden heart. I'm gonna paint this probably and put it somewhere. I think that this will be great because I'm not going to specify anything on it that says Valentine's Day. I'm just going to make a really pretty little heart. And so I love to use a lot of romantic decor year round. So I thought that little heart was just a little funsy thing to do. Another fun thing that I picked up with this 10 by 8 frame, this little piece of paper just slides out. And so my idea is to do a photo collage for my son and his girlfriend. I just sent some of their pictures to Walgreens, and this is going to be a surprise for them. This is going to be for her because I think that she'll really enjoy this. But anyway, so I printed out some of their photos, and then I also picked out some of these cute little gold letters, and so I'm going to put Max and Sky and then some of their little pictures in here, and then decorate the frame with some of these really cute sparkly hearts. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I just absolutely adore my son's girlfriend. She is like another daughter to me, and so I really wanted to do something special for her, and I know that if this makes her smile, it will make my son smile as well. And so for Mr. Romantic, I have planned. So they have these really cute little love notes books at Dollar Tree. And so it says love notes from me to you. And then you open it up and you can actually fill out like the different little love notes. And so this says, you still loved me when, and then you fill out when your loved one still loved you, maybe when you're having a hard day or going through something tough. You're the only one who. And so I just thought it would be really special little keepsake for him, for me to fill this out. I have a really wonderful, supportive husband, and I'm very thankful for him. And so I just thought that would be super fun. So look for this little book at Dollar Tree. It's with all their Valentine's Day goodies. And then for my daughter, I wanted to create like a really cute like little journal. And so I picked up this memo book with pen, and then I also found these stickers, and so I want to go in there and create something really special for her. These stickers were just in like the stationery section, and so this one says always in my heart, good times, something about dance down here, and then so I just thought that would be really fun for her. And then the other thing that I want to make up, I'm going to share with you guys, I just went ahead and got one of these little Valentine's Day boxes, and I want to do like a little love notes station where everybody can kind of write each other like a little love note, and then you can put the little flag up. I don't know, that's so corny. Anyway, I know that's corny, but I just thought it would be fun to do, unless my daughter wants to steal this, and then I'll just give it to her. So the other thing I found at Dollar Tree, which I've been looking for, were some new stickers for organizing. So I had these really grand plans to do a bunch of organizing, and I've been a little bit under the weather, plus I've had a ton of stuff going on with my kiddos' dance and wrestling, and so I haven't gotten to my massive organizing projects that I want to share with you guys, but I did pick up some labels to organize things with. So you guys start checking in the Dollar Tree stationery section. It is such a great place to buy labels for organizing. This comes with 10 sheets, and so I'm really going to go to town. I have plans to go to town to do a lot of organizing and like completely make everything awesome in my house. Right now it looks like I plan more to craft, but organizing. So yeah. Okay, and then I just picked up these cute little glitter foam hearts. There's 12 of them in here. I have no plans for these except for something fun, maybe a cute little Valentine's Day planner or banner. So I am going to just decorate everything for Valentine's Day. I think I'm gonna do that this weekend. Because I love Valentine's Day, and I have started some spring decor, but I'm trying to make everything that I'm doing for spring like completely transitional. So anyway, I know I'm starting to run long on this. I got a new vase because I need more vases and more flowers. So these red roses I think are going to be beautiful, and I'm thinking about cutting the stems down and just kind of making like a really realistic arrangement. I'm not for sure. I might also put these outside in my bike depending on if I'm going to add red to my bike or not. But for $6, I thought, why not? They look so realistic. I wish they were in pink, but they're not. And so, but I thought, hey, why not? You know, maybe even put them in Mr. Romantic's bathroom because I love him so much. Anyway, okay, enough with my completely cheesiness. They're putting out a lot of mats, and so I went ahead and grabbed a welcome mat. I have another one somewhere, I just can't find it. So, but these are great to kind of put around the house, especially in the winter time with muddy shoes and whatnot. So there's a little mini haul for you, and this is not Dollar Tree, but I did stop at TJ Maxx, and I am welcoming a new addition into our family. My sweet little niece just had a baby girl, Kinsley, and so I happened to pick up some goodies for her. I hope she's not watching before these reach her, because they live down in Mississippi. But I found this adorable pack of onesies, and these are by Laura Ashley. They were a great deal. TJ Maxx has some amazing deals, but I just had to share this stuff with you guys because I don't have babies anymore, and I don't know if you guys do, but look how adorable these were. It has like a little pink mouse, and then this pink one, this beautiful pale pink with the stripes, and look at this sweet pattern. Oh my goodness, I love that. This would actually make a beautiful upholstery, but anyway, I love these. I hope Kinsley loves these as well. And then I also found this. I thought this was so adorable. So you know how they take the little like baby newborn pictures? This is like a little skirt you can tie on the baby, and then this beautiful little princess crown. So I'm hoping she can take some really fun little pictures with her with that. And then I had to get her first Easter bunny. How sweet is this? The little bunny ears have the little things where the baby can hold on to that. And then it also has a rattle. My daughter has a bunny, pretty bunny. I don't know if you guys have seen her in any of my videos, but she loves bunnies, so I thought hopefully Kinsley will love this bunny. And then I also, for Mama, I got this really cute little t-shirt that says, "She believed she could and she did." So just a little encouragement for her as a mama, because she's a new mommy, and I remember how that felt, and it can be really hard sometimes. So hopefully she will believe in herself, and I know she's going to make a wonderful mama. So Stormy, I love you. Can't wait for you to get this. Hopefully you don't see this video before this reaches you. And then the other thing I found at the Target dollar spot, "Hello Darlene" card that I'm going to include with this bag of goodies. So that is going to wrap up my Dollar Tree haul and my little TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're inspired. I just wanted to thank you all for all of your kindness on my last video. I did a spring decorating video, and I also shared with you guys how I do my hair, and you guys have been so kind to me. So that is just amazing. You guys really, truly make my heart sparkle and shine, and I'm so thankful and blessed to have you all here. This is such an amazing opportunity and platform, and the fact that you guys love to craft as much as I do and love to love on your homes. I want to hug all of you guys. You just are so kind to me, and I thank you for that. So if you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. I do a ton of DIYs. I love decorating. I love just everything to do with taking care of my family. I just absolutely love, and so if you guys love that kind of stuff, you might want to stick around and hang out with me. Thank you all so much for all of your kindness and your support, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.